Great again. Welcome to another thrilling video. I'm sure you'll watch the reruns of these for the rest of your life. But enjoy it while you can, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to do a little bit of talking about inequalities. So if you'd grab, I don't think we've done anything with inequalities before, or at least not this year, probably last year. Let me get something ready here. So if you grab a piece of paper, jot down whatever here. We are talking inequalities, and we are talking graphing said equalities. Poof. Graphing them. And here's the deal. First of all, well, let's look at what inequalities are. Those are the inequality signs. Remember, you've got the greater than sign. Hopefully you know that by now. You've got the less than sign. Less than. And then we've got, when we put equal signs under them, the greater than or equal to, and the less than or equal to. And the deal is this: you get something that looks like this. X is greater than or equal to 6. Because there is an infinite amount of answers, if I asked you to tell me give me a number that is greater than 6, you could give me an infinite amount of answers. That's why we use a number line to show the answers. Okay, we use a number line to show the answers because that kind of gives us all of the answers it could be. A couple things just to know. First of all, when you graph this, you can simply just give me one number. I'm not going to make you go real crazy here. Here's my number 6 on my number line, and my number line goes this way, and it goes this way. Here's what you need to know. First of all, if there is an equal sign underneath of it, if there is an equal sign underneath of it, that means x could equal 6. That is one of the possible answers. So to show that, when you start here at 6, you have to color in the line. Okay? You have to color in the line if it is equal sign. If there was no equal sign there, this would be an open circle. An open circle signifies that it starts at 6 but does not include 6, because 6 is not greater than 6, it's equal to 6. And then you need to color in the side of this line where the numbers are greater than 6, which hopefully you know your number lines. That would be this side here. So you make this side a little bit heavier, and you make this arrow a little bit bigger, so we can tell that x is those numbers there that are greater than 6. Another example, maybe, what if it was y was less than 3? So here we go. Here at 3, because there's no equal sign there, I just make an open circle, and the numbers that are less than 3 go this way, 2, 1, 0, all the way to infinity this way, and I darken in that little arrow there. Now, a helpful little hint, maybe you'll remember this from past occasions or not, is that if you notice the inequality sign, that is the same side of the arrow that you darken in and make it bigger. Notice back up here when x was greater than 6, this little inequality looked like this. That's the same sign as my arrow there. Now, one thing I would like to point out to you is sometimes the book will give you it kind of in backwards. Like they'll say something like -5 is greater than x. This is not, in my world, a good thing. Inequalities, we always want to put the, you want the variable to be on the left. You want the variable to be on the left. So if that's the case, I need to flip-flop these two things here. So I put my x on the left. I should probably put it somewhere else. Here, let me go down a little bit here, just so I don't get things too muckied up here. I put my x on the left and my -5 on the right, but here's the deal. When you do that, this sign also gets rotated, okay? Because if you look at it, what this really means, the alligator eats the bigger thing. Well, -5 is bigger whether it's on the left side or the right side, so the alligator still wants to eat the -5. So if you rotate their places, you also have to rotate the sign or flip-flop the sign. So then when I'm graphing that, I get -5. I get an open circle because it's not equal to, and then I color in this section over here, and shabam. There is my less than or equal to sign. I don't really see anything else other than they're also going to give you the inequality, and you're going to have to tell, you know, if they say that this is, 3, you know, and it colors in this side over here, you're going to have to be able to say, well, x, you put your x there and your 3 there, because you know those are the two things, and x has to be numbers that are greater than 3. So it goes this way. X is greater than 3. Oh, and it's equal to 3. Sorry. Got a little distracted there. We got some noise outside. I think it's snowing and people are shoveling the sidewalk. So, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that is all there is to it. It's really not a complicated sort of task there, but it is kind of, I think maybe we did this last year. You know, we could, nice little review. So once again, thanks for sharing. Thanks for caring. And we will have a good day.